She's gonna go viral first.
Hello. We're doing more unboxing. So excited.
Okay, we're gonna do the McDonald's one. Wait, it's so cute then.
Oh,
Whoa,
that is cute.
That's cute.
Wait, does it stand up?
That's cute.
Okay, I already have one of these, so I don't get that one.
You got
The shrimp dumpling.
Okay,
Get the hug out.
if you get the shrimp dumpling, can I have it?
Oop.
Shrimp dumpling! Shrimp dumpling!
Please, please.
Hug out.
Is this?
Ooh, they're so fun. Oh, that one's so cute.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice.
Now we have a Mega Space Molly Orange Juice Space.
Series for the.
I want Optimus Prime. Who's Trevor Andrew? I want Bedtime Bear. I like all of them. To play.
Ooh, let's look at the bag.
Wait, is this?
Ooh, that's nice. There we go.
That was a fail, Charlie.
Oh, it's the bear.
Ooh.
Oh, wait, her
It's
mask
a bear.
opens.
Cute.
Oh.
The helmet opens. What is that? Sunshine
give me
bear?
a gun.
Ta-da!
Data. Oh, that's cute.
You want to trade?
Depends on what. Yay!
I'm Chloe, and I'm opening this one first. Is this McDonald's one?
Yes.
Oh wait, this one's cute.
What did you get?
My Melody.
Okay. Next, I'm gonna open this one. I hope I get the Shumar.
No, I hope you don't get the shoe.
Or the chicken feet. Egg tart. I'll be happy with the chicken feet.
Which one do you get? Oh, she got hog out.
I got the shrimp. It has a shrimp on the back. Look.
Awesome.
But yeah. I do the Happy Meal, and I got
Cinnamon roll.
it's
Was it not-
Michelangelo.
Michelangelo. There you go.
I want
Sit.
the chicken
Wait, the
feet.
toy?
It was a
Phone jack.
Oh, chicken feet taste good. I eat it.
Ooh, that's a good rip.
What'd you get?
Oh,
I
and
got the custard bun.
Ooh.
Custard button in Chinese. No, it is nylon.
It's
bow.
round
no,
three.
no, no.
Yeah.
It's the third time I'm opening this.
One eternity later.
Dang it.
You got it too.
The one I hate.
No.
I got the one I hate.
Why do you hate it?
It's the same one.
That one's cute.
I'll take it.
How did you know?
No,
Because he
because
saw
once he saw
these.
the speaker, he was like, dang it.
Oh.
I got a check for my birthday.
I don't know which one though.
I want that one.
Which one's that?
You're
Can't
pointing
see
at
it.
all of them.
I want Megatron.
We got
That's good.
Iron High. Oh.
There we go. It's stuck. So refreshing.
Now it's not worth any money.
Whoa.
Nice, friend.
I got every Bumblebee.
Assemble it. I'll assemble it for you.
Galaxy version.
Oh yeah. It's all weird. Like.
Ooh, it's like
Holographic.
holographic, dude. Whoa, man. Look at that.
Is there more in the box?
Listen.
Whoa.
Oh,
Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Whoa.
I don't know what that means.
Yeah, what does that mean?
No, it's that one
then.
then. It's this one.
Oh, so that's, who's that? I don't know. That's
Can you read
Long Haul.
Long haul.
Yeah, look. Long Haul.
Yes.
And I got a Galaxy version.
Number 3.
Oh, number 3.
That one's number 2.
I want the one that I...
Do you need to put it closer to the floor?
Looks like a dinosaur.
Oh, you want this one?
Yeah, what did that say?
Oh my god.
You want slog?
Slug! I want slug! Nice. Look at that! I'm so big.
gonna go viral.
Whoa, look at that! Whoa!
I don't know.
Who's that?
That was a secret.
I I got the secret!
No.
Wait.
That might be Soundwave. Wait.
Look at the chocolate.
Take all of it out one.
No, don't do that.
You're gonna get all mixed.
Amber's next.
Welcome back. What do we have here?
Back to our YouTube channel.
Like and comment down below.
Like and comment before I tell you what's next. Like and comment. I got her the Leonardo Hello Kitty.
I got the
You
Hello
need
Kitty.
that for your basketball or baseball. Are they all Hello Kitty? No.
Okay.
Oh, I like that one. That one's cute.
I have Hello Kitty too.
I don't like that one.
Charlie, do you want to trade? What if I get a pink one?
Then maybe I'll try. If it's pink, I'll think about it.
Let's see. Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to do what Chris did.
Can't do it
Dad, your toy is built.
I know, it was so reckless the way you ripped open the boxes. Which one do we
Other
think
one.
I got?
Pink.
Pink.
Yeah,
I think you got
Chris is
that
getting
pink
pink.
one.
Guys ready?
Do it. Charlie's like, oh.
I don't know.
Okay, what color do you think it is, Charlie?
I already saw it.
Ooh!
Oh.
That's a secret, right?
No, it's.
Hey, I wanted that one.
Wait, it's not on here.
That's a secret.
Oh my god, you got a secret.
Yeah, this
She
is
got
a secret.
the purple one.
It is secret. Meta. Oh,
I
cool.
should have traded.
Oh, too bad
Should've
now.
traded. Now you should have traded.
Too bad I don't have this.
Okay, my turn. So I have
With yourself?
Pucky, Egg Beanie. These are so cute. I want the egg tart or the century egg.
I'm not
Ooh,
breaking it.
look at the packaging. It's so cute. Look at that. I'm trying to screw it. 1, 2, 3.
What'd you get?
Poached
The
egg.
boiled egg.
Boiled egg.
That's
cute.
What is that?
The hard boiled.
The hard-boiled egg. And now, Crybaby.
Uh-oh, the one in the show.
Ooh,
Wait.
let's see.
I like the pink one.
I want
There's
the
like-
pink one.
I feel like I like the pink
too.
I
one.
want any of the
And
secrets.
Alice.
There's a super secret. I'm hoping for my first one to either be She's Alice,
JG.
the Bumblebee,
thank
or
you.
Duck You. Let's do it. 1, 2.
Not even.
Don't worry,
Look
just
at
sew
this.
up packaging.
Wait, which one did you want? It's
Which
like
one
a,
do you want?
It's like the towel.
She's Alice, the Bumblebee, or Duck
I'm
You.
pretty sure it's a towel.
Duck you. Is this Christmas?
See?
It's the duck one.
Oh, wait, that was cute too.
1, 2, 3. You know what I got? I don't know. It's the Bumblebee! It's so cute. Cute. Soft. That's so cute. Look at that. Cute.
Yeah, show your
Yeah,
Lafufu.
my Lafufu. Oh, and I dressed it up today.
Secret Lafufu.
Amber iced her out. What is that? It's just Leo, because we're Leo.
With the
I'm
Fendi
also a
monster.
I'm also Leo.
And this one too.
Yes, they heard you.
And
Because it's
Crystal
a
Bell.
secret. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
But it was a shrimp dumpling.
He got it too.
The one I hate.
No.
Oh, that's a video.